Hey guys, today is International Pancake Day and I am so excited to share these 3 wonderful vegan and gluten-free pancake variations with you today. We are using a dehydrator for this and I'm using the Excalibur brand. It is really the best one out there. I'm not getting paid for saying this. It's just the one which really does the job the best out of all of them, I think, and we're gonna get into it right now. Let's start with our pancake batter. This is what I'm going to use today. And all we do, we will blend up all our ingredients in the NutriBullet or any other small blender you have. And this is how it looks like in the end. It has this creamy consistency. And in a way, it's so much easier to make this type of pancakes in the dehydrator because we don't have to make one after the other. All we're doing now is pouring our batter onto a Teflex sheet. We're gonna put it into our dehydrator for about 2 to 3 hours and then I'm gonna flip them around. Another 2 hours later, time is flying today. So this is how they look like. You just can easily peel them off the dehydrator sheet and they are soft and pliable. And because they are so easy to hold in your hand, we are making pancake tacos today. For our very berry variation, I already prepared some raspberries, some blueberries, and also it's always a good idea if you want to make the plate extra pretty to cut your berries in half so your plate will just get a very elegant touch. And we will also use some maple syrup. This is a cashew raspberry cream, so it's just some soaked cashew nuts, some oat milk and raspberries. So we're gonna have a beautiful pink sauce here and some coconut chips. So this is our very berry variation. At the end, let me know which one of the 3 is your favorite. So I will keep this in the fridge for now. I have to hold myself back. Gotta be a little patient here, but soon I will be in pancake heaven. For our second variation, I already cut up some banana. We are using my favorite almond butter, and this is a chocolate sauce with coconut oil, raw cacao and maple syrup. The full recipe for this one you find down below, and it's also inspired actually from my favorite channel, Raw Vegan Not Gross. Thank you very much for sharing this wonderful recipe. I've been using it for years, many times. So this is our beautiful almond butter chocolate banana variation number 2, and now stay tuned for variation number 3. Let me know in the comments down below after you have finished watching the whole video which one is your favorite. For our pancake version number 3, we are making 1 ingredient banana ice cream. So clearly all we need for that is bananas, also inspired by my favorite channel, Raw Vegan Not Gross. So this I already froze overnight, and all we're gonna do, we're gonna add them to our NutriBullet. Once you have taken them out of the freezer, they should sit out for a couple minutes, obviously, for the blade to be able to blend it. So let's see if we have kept it out long enough. Let's shake it up. And this is our pancake variation number 3. Let me know down below which one is your favorite out of the 3 of those. And this one I think is particularly awesome because you saw, because of the frozen ice cream and that chocolate sauce, which is made with coconut oil, that turns immediately hard. So now we have this hard chocolate shell, and I'm gonna show you now what happens when we try to eat it. So we wanna crack it open, basically. Let me know in the comments down below which one of the 3 was your favorite. Thank you so much for being here with me. Enjoy the rest of your evening of International Pancake Day. I'm gonna be in pancake heaven now, and I will see you very soon in another really creative, colorful, vegan, healthy recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more, and I see you soon.